Welcome to my new video. This is Itel 6350, and today I'm going to teach you two things basically about this phone. Number one, how to recover the security code if they have changed it from the default code, which is 1234 or 0000 in four places. And number two, how to flash the phone using those code. Now I'm trying to flash the phone using the default code, but it's not working because the owner have changed the code. They have changed it from the default code. So the first thing is that you're going to power off the phone. You're going to power off the phone, power it up completely. Now the phone is off now. Now let's load our miracle box. Let's load our miracle box now on our PC. So I've launched it. Now you are going to wait patiently. Let it load. Let it load now. Okay, you can see it has loaded. You are going to select SPD and then you click on RD unlock. Now after you click RD unlock, you are going to select this option as you can see on the screen. Click on it. Now after you click on it, then you click on the start button on the PC. Now you need your USB to do this. Now you connect your USB to your laptop and then the other end to the phone. But before you plug into the phone, you hold the volume up button. Hold the volume up button, then you insert your cord into the phone. You can see. Follow me as I do it. Now you insert your cord. Now your software will now start reading the phone. You can see it's reading on the screen now. You can see it's reading. You can see it has finished reading the phone. It has finished reading all the code, both the privacy, the security, and all of that. You can see all the code on the screen. You can see all of that. Now, all this code now, I'm going to power on the phone, and then we are going to apply this code one by one. One of them is correct. We're going to power on the phone now, and then I'm going to try the code one by one, and one of them is going to unlock the phone. That is going to factory reset the phone. Now this phone is booting. It has finished booting. So now let's go star hash 123 4 hash. It has taken us to the factory reset menu. Now we are going to try this code one after the other. Okay, so now follow me as I do it. So we are going to try the third one now. The first and the second are not correct. So this is the third one. You can see the third one is correct. As you can see, it is resetting the phone now. You can see it. Say please wait. So now we're going to wait for the phone to reset and then restart. Okay, the phone has gone up, so it's restarting now. And then the factory reset is completed. So we're waiting for the phone to boot up. Please like and share this video and follow for more. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.